So, and you will be a participant in the Welsh part of the Druids tour. So what are you most looking forward to? Are there sacred sites in Wales that hold particular significance to you?
For the fact that it's the foundation of Merlin mythology, and I've always been very strongly connected to Merlin, I'm looking forward to that. Sites, the only one that really calls me is Snowdonia. There's just something about Snowdonia. I don't know what it is, but yes, we'll be going there. But just connecting with the Merlin energies.
Yeah.
I haven't got any expectations. There are places that I'd like to visit that I visited, hadn't been there since I was a child. But I haven't got any expectations. I just want to go completely open heart, open mind, and just experience.
Yeah. And speaking of experiences, how do you think the experience of walking through sacred sites in Wales will complement your deep connection to Avalon and the ancient mysteries?
Well, it's all connected.
Yeah.
It's all connected.
Yeah.
The energies
Energy,
are connected.
ley lines.
The ley lines are connected. They're connected under the earth. We can spend time with rocks here and know that their same energy is going through the Wales. Everything's energy. There is no above, no below, no inside, no outside. It's all within us. So walking barefoot through sacred sites, that's what I live for. Sacred sites that I really connect with.
Yeah.
And I think, I haven't got evidence, but I'm pretty sure that my grandfather had some connection with Druidry. From some of the things that my mum says about him, I think, that's Druidic. So it'll be interesting just to feel my way around Wales and see if there's anything strongly. I had an experience when I went to Scotland that I was strongly connected to a place and I had no idea why. And it turns out it was my grandmother's favourite place to be. So I'll be interested to see how that connects.
Sounds